Hi, it's John again with another engine, and here we have my beautiful Bowman M135, one of my favourite engines in the collection. So I hope it performs as well as it looks. It's a beautiful hot day here in Portugal, low 30s. Perfect to be lighting mess fires and playing with steam engines. This is the first time I've run this since I cleaned it. I've been a little bit generous with the oil, but better safe than sorry. It's a big boiler. I don't have quite the right burner for it, but it's a reasonable fit. You can see I've got the original oil tap and cover. The oil tap has a hole, so this is the on position, and it works, as you can see. Very effective, simple and effective. I've changed the recording position to one far more sensible. Get away with that strong backlight. So how are we doing, engine? Oh. Oh. Fantastic. Running like a dream. What a nice surprise, it's a Bowman. For me, the Bowman is the bee's knees. I've got the 122, which I need to finish. I've got a M135 coming through. I've got a 101 to run, and I've got a Bowman Snipe to run in my swimming pool. Anyway. Just goes. Here I must just a quick shout out to Moose Man and the wonderful transfers he sells. The real quality of that. Beautiful. Don't be suckered in by cheaper alternatives. And these aren't expensive. Well worth buying a few hundred before they stop making them. Well, 10. So I hope you like that, viewers. I hope you enjoyed my lovely M135 running on this beautiful sunny evening. I certainly did. This is an engine with plenty of get up and go. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Mr. Bowman. Thank you for watching, viewers. Bye-bye.